Hey guys, nice to see you again. Let's start drawing. In this video, I will draw a hot anime boy from a wedding scene. He has silver hair and wears a silver tuxedo. Silver hair coloring will be the focus of this video. I use a free drawing app called Sketchbook. Its felt tip pen is a good brush to draw outlines. When drawing the ear, please make sure it's located in between eyebrows and the bottom of the nose. When drawing side face, the aesthetic line is important. That is the line from the tip of the nose to tip of the chin. To have an aesthetically pleasing facial profile, both upper lip and the lower lip should be behind the line. When outline hair, please first separate the hair into multiple sections. All sections should belong to 3 layers: bottom layer, middle layer, and the top layer. Second step is to further divide each of the sections into many strands of hair. In order to emphasize change, some of the strands need to be tilted to the left, while others need to be tilted to the right. Some of the strands may be longer, while others may be shorter. Some of the strands should be together, while others should be far apart. After the outline is done, the second step is to fill in base colors. You do not need to choose base color precisely, since all base colors will be adjusted in the third step, when we add shadows and highlights. I have 3 favorite tools to make base color to shadow transition smooth. Number 1 is to reduce shadow opacity to let the base color underneath appear. Number 2 is using the soft eraser brush to partially reduce the darkness of shadowed area. Number 3 is to spray a locked base color layer with flow airbrush to adjust the base color slightly. These are the tricks that I use when coloring his silver hair. You do not need to create 50 degrees of grays. 5 degrees should be more than enough. These 3 tools can help you to gradually transfer his hair from the middle dark gray to side and the top off-white gray. When adding highlights, please note different color represents different temperature. For example, let's look at the light that falls on his jaw. The center color is almost white, which represents the highest temperature. The white color is surrounded by yellowish color, then pinkish color, which means the temperature reduced from the center to surrounding areas. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Don't forget to like the video or subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. See you next time.